conventional lawnmower. This is a commercial lawnmower. You never want to hold this down and start it. This will just pull you forward. When you start the machine, you want to make sure that you place it in the choke position. Again, this is the throttle, but it's also the choke. You want to push it all the way down. And once you've done that, you do not want to hold this. You do not want to touch that. You want to hold it right here, get a good grip. Pull the grip and cord. Once you start the machine, you want to wait 50 to 60 seconds to warm up. Once the machine is warmed up, you're going to put it on the throttle. You will hear the machine change. Once you hear that high-pitched sound, you know